Hello, everybody. It is Saturday, March the 9th, and this has been me week because this is my birthday week. My birthday is on Monday, March the 11th, and today we're going out of town to eat with my brother, his wife, and his daughter. And I wanted to do an unpackaging real quick before I got ready. This is my fourth order from USA Palm. I love that shop. These are actually men's tops, but I love them. No, get your face out. Undo this. And they had a buy one, get one free. I mean, you cannot beat that. So I have a load of tops to show you. This is the first style. And these are just like the ones that I had worn. I had unboxed or packaged for you before. They don't have Sherpa in them, but they are of nice weight. These are a men's small. It's called the 4th Zip Infinity. They're long sleeves. And they come in all these patterns. I just love it. So here's this one. I like these bags that they are in. They're like real big baggies. Okay, this one's a little crazier. Got that one. And is this the same as that one? No, this is different. This pattern. And I got another one. This pattern. I don't know if you can see. I'm going to pick one of these and wear today, so I haven't decided which one. This one's kind of wild. But yeah, that's it. So which one? I have a black top back there that I'm gonna change this and wear that black top. So I would say maybe one of these blue ones. Maybe this one would look good with that black top under it. Yeah, I think I'll wear this one. So let me go ahead and put these ones back in the bag. My cats are just dying to get in my closet, and I don't really have a place to put these in between so I can hang them up. So I have to put this bag back in my closet so they won't claw my stuff. This cat right here, Flipper, is very destructive. You leave something out and she's doing something to it. Okay, so there's that. So let me undo this one so you can see it. Oh, there's some tissue paper that's stuck on me. So here it is, and it has a zipper on the front. It has a band at the bottom, which I like because your shirt's not going to ride up. And then these cuffs are elastic, just kind of like the band where your cuff's not going to be coming up, like this floppy thing. So yeah, and then here's the logo on the back. So this is one of them I got. So I found best, they're kind of slick material. So I found best that it works well with these athletic type long sleeve tops. I just got that at Walmart. It's a women's, see, it's that slicky athletic material. It's too clingy. It's too much to wear underneath this. Is this the Walmart brand? It says Athletic Works medium. So they only have a few colors in the women's. I have gotten guys before, but I just wanted to show this to you. So I'm going to wear this today, and we're going to have my birthday dinner. Not all my family's coming, but these guys will be there for me. My daughter's coming. And so I'm going to get ready and have a little fun today. My mom got me a real chocolatey cake, she said. So there you go. And I will catch you guys later.